So this might be one of the more controversial lectures of the course, and I'm not going to make any statements here. I'm going to pose it as a question, and I'm going to let you answer the question in the comments. Maybe if you want to have a discussion, you can have a public discussion. If you want a private discussion, you can post send me a message as a private message. But I'm going to ask you a question. So when people get an education, maybe they go to college or high school or whatever, and they learn about science, they learn about logic and reasoning and open reasoning and being open to ideas, do you think that they become less religious? Do you think that they become less prone to following the books or whatever the God said, whatever, strictly? Do you think that this education of science and evolution and knowledge of that affects, and generally maybe even open ideas and open thought and challenging preconceived notions, which is something that really happens when a person becomes educated. They become more able to challenge their notions that they took for granted, they didn't think about much before. So when all that happens, do you think that this causes people to become less religious? And this is something that I'd like to, have a very, nice debate. In topics like this, it's very easy to get emotional, negative. I'd love it if we all could be polite, respectful of anyone's opinion, even if it differs from yours. And that's all going to happen, hopefully, in the comments. So I really look forward to that. And if even this question offends people, I apologize. I really didn't mean to. But I think at some point, especially within a course like this, at some point this kind of question maybe should be asked at some point, and at least to think about. And I don't know the answer either. For some people, maybe yes. For some people, maybe no. I don't know what percentage of people are affected and how. So maybe you tell me your maybe experience, like. What has been your relationship with education and religion and spirituality? How have you, over time, how has that evolved inside of you over time? Maybe that's a good way to put it. So I look forward to your guys' comments.